Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are ready for the adventure. We're here in Isla Roatan, Honduras, and we'll be going to the beach right behind me. We're just waiting to disembark for the day, and then we will begin the adventure. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. If not, when you watch my videos, you'll have a great day too. All right, I'll see you guys on shore. Awesome, all aboard. So we're here, yay! Coming up to the little shops and villages. So we're headed to our excursion, as I was saying, which is the magical flying beach chairs. It's just a chairlift, but we're going to go over the water, so I'm going to get some cool footage for everybody. So it's going to be awesome. Oh, we can all go together. We could land. I'm like, wait till we land. I love that beach chairlift thing. That was fun. It's a ski lift, but it goes over the water. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I loved riding it. I can't wait to ride it again. I'm gonna try to do some time warp. We'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. Awesome. So we rented a cabana for the day, and we're gonna have our own
all different coats.
Beach right here. Paradise and our own cabana. Awesome, yes. Mr. Shields to you style. Little private oasis. Well, anybody can book it. It's not fully private, but this is our own little beach. So we're gonna enjoy that. And here's where the chairlift that we came over on. Nice. You don't mind, do you?
You going on YouTube?
Yep, I got a channel. Come see me, I'll tell you the channel. Up, here comes Tony. Ahoy!
He wants his on fire. He wants it burnt. Okay. Is that it? I think so.
I need to go back in the water. I saw some fish. And there was cool like coral and barnacles and stuff. My own little spot over here. See, look, there's nobody. Let's see what we can see. This is the other beach, the public one for the cruise folks. We're in a, of course, you know, we're in a private one. Very pretty. Okay, we're back at the little village. We're gonna do some shopping. What was that? And I heard a stumbly trip sound. Tony be tripping. Toucan souvenir. We're back. Lovely day in Roatan. That was beautiful. That was nice having our own private like area and stuff. So an awesome time, of course. So I'll just say thank you, Roatan, Honduras. Over here there's a shipwreck here in Roatan. I don't know what shipwreck it is. Maybe I can research it.
The first carnival forcefulness. It was
no, it was awesome. I loved
relaxed.
it.
It was so nice.
To Roatan, what a lovely spot.